Every engine has a story, so does every shop. This one started with a simple idea: to serve. My name's Tom Lambert. I opened this shop for three main reasons. Number one, to take care of my family. Number two, to provide the opportunities my hardworking team deserves to take care of their families. And three, to take care of my clients and exceed their expectations to the point where it actually elevates our industry. I grew up watching my dad and my uncles work. I could see how much help and value that provided for family, friends, neighbors. I found that it brought joy to the clients they served, and it brought joy to them working together. For those reasons, that's why I started turning wrenches with my dad and started a shop to continue the legacy of a hardworking family. This isn't just a business for me. This is providing for over 40 families that I care deeply for. We're providing a service to our clients to keep their vehicles safe and reliable. We're deeply embedded in this community, our local city and surrounding area. It's a huge honor to be providing an opportunity for these 40 families. It comes with a lot of weight. It's a lot of responsibility. This is a tough industry. Thankfully, I love it, and thankfully, I see myself as the person that is willing to do whatever it takes to provide what they need. We sponsor a lot of sports events. We got a lot of amazing clients that have kids, school-age kids. So you'll see our logos on soccer jerseys and baseball fields and football fields and dance studios and all kinds of things around here, which is kind of fun to see. Over time, what I've found is if I treat the people on my team as good as I can possibly treat them, everything else takes care of itself. My team is well taken care of, therefore they take amazing care of my clients, which in turn takes really good care of this business that we've built. The number one separator of our shops compared to many others is the team that we've assembled. You call us or walk into our office, you are going to see the friendliest faces you've bumped into for the day. And that's just not at repair shops, that's just period. If you go into any business around this area or call one, we're gonna be the ones that treat you better than anybody else, and hopefully you leave here having a better day than when you arrived. Because here, we're driven by more than just engines. We're driven by you.